Hello, my people. Welcome to Glatory. If today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this sausage roll. Please watch till the end. In today's video, it's just an easy recipe and I know you will like it. I use 5 cups of flour. I'm adding my salt to taste, my nutmeg, and baking powder. Feel free to add sugar if you like, but I prefer not to use sugar. So sugar is optional in this case. Here I'm adding my 500 grams of butter, unsalted butter. I'll be mixing everything to well combine. Remember, if today is your first time you're seeing my video, remember to subscribe to my channel, follow my page at Glatory Flavors, like my video and share it. I'm using 1 whole egg in this mixture. And I'm adding 1 cup of milk, but I'll be adding it bit by bit because as you add, just watch out so that you don't overmix it. You can see the mixture is good. I will let it sit for a few minutes, like 30 minutes, before I'll continue molding it into my sausage roll. Okay, here I'll be doing it on my work table. So here I apply some flour on the surface of the table so that it's easier for me to knead them together. Okay. Here I'll be rolling them with my sausage. So feel free, you can mash your sausage or you can decide to roll it on like that without mashing it. So it's optional the way you want to do it. So remember, if today is your first time you're seeing my video, please subscribe to my channel. Always like my video and share them, and follow me on my Facebook page at Glatory Flavors. As you can see, this is very easy recipe and I'll be glad to see you try it at home. This is so easy, you can make it. Just give it a try. Okay, here they're all set, ready to be baked. So I'll be baking them for 30 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. So here I'm brushing them with some egg wash, and then before I'll bake them. Already set to be baked. Oh, finished baking. You can see how it came out. You can do it. Thank you for watching my video and see you on my next video. Bye.